You can upload videos to YouTube in a few easy steps. Follow the video tutorial to upload your videos from a computer or from a mobile device. Step 1. Sign in to YouTube. Step 2. At the top of the page, click Upload. Then select Upload Video. Click Publish to finish uploading a public video to YouTube. If you set the video privacy setting to private or unlisted, just click Done to finish the upload or click Share to privately share your video. If you haven't clicked Publish, your video won't be viewable by other people. You can always publish your video at a later time in your video manager. Once the upload is completed, we will send you an email to notify you that your video is done uploading and processing. You can then forward that email to friends or family for easy sharing. If you prefer not to receive notification, you can opt out by visiting your email settings.